Sportage owners, welcome. Today I'm going to discuss 6 months worth of exterior mods that I've done to my 2024 SX Prestige Hybrid. There's no particular order, so let's get started. The car came with the rear dark tints from the factory. So I went ahead and got the front windows tinted 20%, except the windshield. Next we come to the window visors or wind deflectors. I decided on this set because it doesn't just cover the roll down windows, but also the rear window here. The dark tint and the window visors gives it that nice uniform look. Next, we can open the hood here one-handedly because I went ahead and installed these gas struts. No need to have this bar in the way when working on your vehicle. Moving right along, we come to the air horns. I got one on each side. The air horns work in conjunction with the stock horns, so they're extra loud. Still in the engine bay, I got one LED right there shining. Gives the engine bay some color at night. Look how easy it is to even close the hood with the gas struts. Again, one-handed. Here are my LEDs inside the grille. There are 3 of them. Next we come to a controversial piece, and that's the tow hook. If you don't know me or the reasons why I have a tow hook, you should check out my video on what's with the tow hook. I drilled a hole in the flap where the tow hook extends out so that area doesn't stay open to the elements. I even like that the tow hook is visible in the camera. Next we come to the blind spot mirrors. Yes, I know they're not really needed since the Sportage comes with the on-screen display when signaling. But I'm old school. I not only use the cameras, but I like to use the mirrors as well. For me, it's useful. Moving right along, we come to the mud guards or splash guards. For the wheels, I really would like to put bigger, wider rims on this. For now, I added these red lug caps and black valve stem covers. It's the little things, people. Then I added these door latch covers for all 4 doors. Lastly, I added these red LEDs for the license plate. So those are all the exterior mods I've done in the last 6 months. Some of those mods I covered in more details in my other videos, so be sure to watch those. And I have a few things lined up in the near future for this as far as exterior mods. Let me know what you guys done on your Sportage, or let me know what I should do next on my Sportage. Thank you all for watching.